Everybody dreams. As a matter of fact, there are people here tonight who are still frustrated because their dream is still as far as it was when they were 20 years old. And the reason why people's dreams don't come to pass is because they haven't learned how to exercise the principles that are designed in God's creation to fulfill dreams. Now let me explain for a moment what a principle is, because principles are different from facts. A principle is a law that is established to create the environment to successfully produce the performance of the promised. Now, what I mean by that is every manufacturer builds into his product principles by which that product functions, and if you follow those principles, everything that the manufacturer promised you, you'll experience. For example, your automobile was built on certain principles, and that principle product was placed in the automobile before you received the car. When they built the engine of the automobile, for example, they built it to operate on gasoline, maybe unleaded, right? And because they did that, when you bought the car, the principle was already built into the engine. So you couldn't decide to put what you felt like into the car. You had to put what the manufacturer designed the car to operate on. That's why if you like apple juice or orange juice or pineapple juice, the car doesn't care. It likes unleaded gasoline. So if you want the car to function for you, what you have to do then is submit to the principle of the automobile manufacturer. And once you do what the principle commands you to do, the car will function for you. So success is really based on the obedience to principles. Write that down. It's a very important, simple concept. Success is based on obedience to principles. In other words, being successful is not luck. Being effective in your life is not a matter of being a lucky person or a fortunate person. Success and top performance in life is literally a simple process of obedience to principles. If you do everything the manufacturer commands you to do, then you should get from the product what they promise you in top performance. And so even as we see that in the normal creation or manufacturing of human products, the same thing is true about what God created. The plants around me are products of principle. That is why God really doesn't create trees anymore.